Welcome back on Anything That Moves. Here today, we're celebrating Google. Google. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's just get right into it. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Look at this. Google had earnings, and boy, did they beat. Okay, we were around here. We were trading around this price. It shot up. So now we're over here. All right, all right, I moved it over so you would be able to see we shot up to here. Okay, so we're down here, cruising in the, 150s. Now we're here, 171. What's happened? We had earnings. Okay, so this is Google's earnings. Let me just bring my pointer out here for everybody who wants to see the earnings. Okay, so Google, right? All right, so the first quarter passed, so we had to report. So the CEO with the beautiful CFO had to release the earnings. We delivered revenues of $80.5 billion. So last year, 2023, now 2024, see, revenues. So we're up. Who does not love that? Changes in revenue year over year. Look how nicely numbers are going up. All right? Year over year, we're going up. Operating income, operating margin, up. Everything nicely up. Earnings per share, right? So things are up. So we owe all this to CEO. Well, of course, there's more people behind the scenes, but Mr. Man is doing his thing. All righty. So he's doing his thing. A little bit of background on him. Some people, I don't know if you ever seen him before. This is the chief financial officer. Okay. Before she was at Morgan Stanley. All right. See down here. Okay. I don't know if y'all saw that. So she was at Morgan Stanley. Hold on. Let me just click that. Okay. See that? Now, they messed up. Okay. Morgan Stanley. Okay. Clearly they messed up. So here for the year, I wanted to make sure everyone saw this. For the year, we're up 59%, more or less. I'm not saying 59%, 0.82, right? 59% for the year. Who does not love that? All right. Who does not love that? Okay. So this is my day trading, one of the day trading charts I have, right? So for here, all right. So we were trading around here. Now we're up here. Okay. You see you see this little box that I have floating? Okay. You see the third line? We're up like, say, almost 10%, right? 9.99%. So Google jumped like 10% after the earnings. All right. So now this is the thing. So you have to say to yourself, okay, do I buy now? If you didn't have before, right? So, we have a gap here. This may, let me just get this marker. It could keep going straight up. Yes, we could. But, with time, it could go up. Hold on. Just let these lines erase. It could go up, but with time, fall back in a little bit. So buy the dips, I'm saying, people, buy the dips as we keep riding off into the sunset. Because clearly they have something going on. Google is doing well. All righty. So this is what it looks like on that kind of chart. So why are we doing so well? Google surpassed 2 trillion. Okay. 2 trillion, but it's still cheap. Still cheap. Hold on for a minute. It's still cheap because they're saying the company's strong performance was driven by commercial acceleration with what? These YouTube ads and Google search. I don't know about you guys. I use Google all the time. I'm always using Google. I use Google for like every other minute. I don't even know if the children of today would know anything if it wasn't for people searching in Google and the cloud. All right. So this is what's driving up the performance and everything. All right. Okay. There's people, they're bullish on their ability to keep delivering. Okay. So, and they're saying in the cloud business, which is growing at approximately 25% year over year. That's awesome. Okay. And then what is this analyst saying? I raised my base case target price to, okay, don't we love this? $201 a share. Okay, let's just see what that's going to look like on the bigger chart. Let's just see what that would look like. Okay, so we're here, right? And we hold for $201. Okay, look at the third line in that floating box. Okay, that would be 15%. All right, so 15% you can gain from here. Now, of course, remember, I buy some dips as it, if it goes down, or maybe you shoot straight up. It depends if the market going to still sell off, or are we just going to start riding up now with all these earnings? Don't know. No one knows, right? But we have 15% if we go up to $201. Something to know. This is what can happen. Sometimes when we get to a round number, okay, so like, look over here. We can get to this round number. A stock can kind of hit it and then dip below the number a little bit. Sometimes it has a little problem until it really breaks free and clear. Okay, so there's some room in there to I just want to make you aware of that. I'm trying to make you aware of everything. All right, but I like Google. This is a stock that I like. All right, so what does FinViz say about Google? Look at all this green. Look at all this green here, guys. This is what I'm talking about. I get, people always want to talk about the stocks that are in the dumps all the time where everything is all red. Look at this green. Why can't we not just invest in stuff that has some green here? I am Miss Moneymaker. That's who I am. This is what I'm attracted to. Look at this green. All right. Look at this. Okay. EPS. Look at this. Look at these numbers. Let's go with things where it's above the 20-day moving average, above the 50-day moving average, above the 200-day moving average, where, we're just green for the week, the month, the quarter, the year. So, these are good numbers for me. What else are they saying here? Google surges after, hello. Do you see that? Do y'all know what this means, right? Buying back billions. If y'all don't buy the dips on this, if you don't buy the dips on this, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. So buying back billions of dollars of his own stock. Okay. So what does that mean? When someone does that, should I go with this graph or is it easier? Okay. I'll keep it on. Hold on. Is this going to be easier or? Okay. We'll go back. We'll go to this one. Okay. When we have these earnings, and they do better, like this number here is bigger than that one. Okay. They're doing better. Well, this is earnings the S is per share. Well, when you decrease the amount of shares, okay, this number can be even better. So in the future, this number, the earnings, right, can be even higher. Okay. Higher. So it's like more profit per share for you. As an investor, you like that. You like when somebody's buying back. That's like, ooh, baby, talk to me. Yeah, okay? So now this is something that's going on. This is from CNN article, something I want you to know of. And then what else? Could it get any better? For all of you guys and girls who want dividends. What are they saying? Meanwhile, Google said its first quarterly dividend will be 20 cents. It's going to join Facebook, parent Meta, as a new dividend payer among the tech giants, Apple and all these others. Okay, also pay dividends and okay. So they're also going to be doing a dividend. The money is just raining down on us. Okay, it's just raining down on us. Google, yeah, I like this. I'm a fan. It passed this former high over here. Okay, you see that over here. It surpassed this. So we're in like some nice blue sky territory. We don't have resistance over us where, the stock can hit something and really just come down because there was like an area above it. No, there's nothing above it. I like this. So I wanted to make sure I showed you these, these stocks and everything. So let me leave you with something. Let's see. And don't you love this? Isn't this adorable? Right? So just hold on 1 minute. Oprah said, surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. That's it. Okay? Look right here. Oprah is worth $3 billion. $3 billion. You know what? I don't care if you like her or not. 3 billion is 3 billion people. So she said we have to surround ourselves with people who are going to lift us higher. Make sure you do that. If you like the content, all this about Google and everything, click like and subscribe. I'm going to see you back in anything that moves. Bye for now. Make that money. Better make that money. You better make that money. All right, make the money. Talk to you later. Bye.